Hey guys, welcome to another episode on your favorite channel. So today I'm going to show you how to put some data into your database, how to insert data into your table. And for that purpose you are going to use statement insert into. So this statement have few parts. First, it's insert into command. Then you are going to provide some table name. Then within first pair of brackets you are going to provide column names that you want to insert your data into, like first column, comma, second, and final. And keep in mind that you have to put comma in between two column names. Well, now certain rules have to be explained. You are going to provide every single column name that you want to put your data into. But if you have some column that you would like to avoid, just don't put the name of that column in this list. And what is the point of that? Let's say that you have a primary key column. You don't want to put name of your primary key column in this list. Why? Because that column values are auto increment. So whenever you put another value, another row into your table, that value is going to be incremented by 1. And another case, if you have some column with a default value and you would like that value to remain the same. But there is one particular situation when you have some column that is not auto incremental and that doesn't have any default value, and by the way it's constrained to not null. In that case, if you execute this insert into command, your database is going to throw an error. So in not null columns you have to provide some kind of values, whether you put your values inside directly with this command, whether you provide a default value, or in third case if your column is set to auto increment. Then after these brackets you are going to provide values like this, open another pair of brackets, and now you are going to set values in the same form. So value, comma, value. Okay, so this is the formula, and now I'm going to show you how that actually works in practice. I'm going to select all values from our item table. So F5, and you see we have our item table listed in this window below. And now I would like to add another pair of items. And by the way, if you want to execute two commands at once, you are just going to separate those two commands with semicolon. I'm going to show you now how that actually works. So insert into item, first pair of brackets for columns. So item name is going to be first, so we are going to avoid item ID. We are not going to put that column in this list because it's auto incremental. Units is going to be second, and third is going to be price. Now values, another pair of brackets, and now I'm going to put values inside. And if you want to insert textual value, you are going to use these two apostrophe signs and put your values inside. Fish, measured in kilograms, price 3.2 USD, and now put semicolon at the end, and in next line we are going to provide another command. once again item. So item name, units, price, values, pork also in kilograms, and 2.5, and just type F5. Our command is executed, and now I would like to see every value from this table. Just select all from item. Ah yes, I forgot from. Now F5, and you see at the end we have our fish and our pork. So that's all for this episode, guys. If you like this content, please subscribe, and see ya.